Hey guys, welcome back to Gaijin Garage. I'm here with Hypest Volt, and we are going to be working today on his brake line. Before we do everything like that, you know the routine: hit like, hit share this video. Besides that, we're in quarantine here in Florida, and by coronavirus is not a joke, but we are car guys and we are Honda guys. So guess what? We're going to start working. I gotta work another video on my YouTube on my engine that I'm about to put in. I haven't been locked down. He's on lockdown. I'm not. He doesn't have it or nothing like that, but his company is not working like my company. So I'm still at work, my day off. But I'm gonna work on his part today. Hit like, hit share. I hope you like the video. So today we're gonna work on these lines right here. You see them down there. We're gonna cut them and move them the right way. And after we do that, we're gonna move inside so we can come out through here, so we can take the wheels off, come out through here to put these coming out through here for the inside brake lines, and mount that over here. Do you have the harness for the inside? So we can go ahead and mount the harness for the case swap and everything that we need to do inside, in case he wants to put he's bored at home, in case he want to put the dashboard back together, he can do that. You got the pedals too, right?
Yes.
So we can put the pedals through today. So that's something that we can do, get everything going and then ready. And then I guess next week or so, I can come in and bring the welder, start welding all these spots right here, and then seal these up. You know, these gotta go. Well, we gotta put all these little welders right here. Why not? So that's what I'll be doing today. I think I got my hat, bro. I'll be hitting myself already with this shit. So, alright, that's where the brake lines are gonna come through on the other side. So, stay tuned. Let's go for it. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna run brake lines. We already did these right here. Now we're gonna run the ones inside of the car. There's a wheel wall over there. So where the e-brake is, we're gonna run them through there. Come up here and put them in there. Israel's lifting up the hatch, and then we're gonna go. We'll have to take the tires off. Alright guys, so we had done the left side already. He came right through there, you can see, goes right underneath, real nice. Popping out right over here. Now we're doing the other side. The Israel is about to use, doing it. At the same time we're going live through Facebook. Right there, he's cutting the line. He's going to use this brackets right there in front of us for his mounting for the other ones. There we go. Now you can split those brackets, opening them up, and now you run the line so you have a perfect.
That's garbage.
And you go underneath, right underneath the tank. You're good over there. Should have got no socks at all. What the fuck? Yo, any question? Let us know, bro.
I could take this off of here.
Some of you are stuck at your house. I understand that. It sucks. But we're here in Florida, chilling. Let me see who else I choose. Like,
This doesn't go this way.
it's off for 2 weeks. I can't believe that. This nigga. It's off for 2 weeks. what I would do first, I will tie it down. I would do what I would do first, I would do this, tie it up over there first. Israel, here.
To here first?
Yeah, in case you need slack or anything like that. And make sure it goes nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Don't over tight it, don't over, you don't want nothing. Now, you went from a 10 on this wrench to an 11.
On 11.
Yeah, now we got to use an 11 there.
Okay, I just gotta figure out where I'm mounting this. So this.
Later on, Israel's going to do a conversion on a rear disc conversion on this car. So we don't worry about that right now. But these are hybrid racing, right?
No, the brake lines are from Wireworks.
Wirework send us Israel body lines, and we are putting them on. And I will tell you this, it's easier than what I did on my CRX. Did they come for your year model, Israel?
Yeah, they actually, you can buy them. You buy them online, and then you email them right after you make the order, and you tell them
Israel,
if you want hard lines or soft lines.
Can you bend that the other way?
This way? Or this way?
No, that goes. All the line goes underneath here.
Yeah, but that's what I was trying to figure out because it doesn't bend. Like
one of them, yeah, that one that you're talking about is for here, for the end, the one you got in your hand.
Right. So this one.
That one goes there. Yeah, guys, if you're stuck at home, sorry. This is our quarantine working in Hondas. I know Fernando is at home drinking a cerveza, but. That's what I was telling you. Get all the slack that you can.
I think that should be fine. And then I can go under here.
Yep. No, that one goes to the other end.
No, right here, like this.
No, that one doesn't go there. That one goes over there. This one goes over there. Yeah.
Then where's this one go?
It's here at the end. So you move that one, yeah.
This one goes like this?
Yep. Just like that. Oh, man, perfect. Haha. Well, what's going on, people? Let's see if I can get Fernando to add him to the broadcast. I guess I cannot do that.
Oh shit, don't want to line up. There it goes. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid.
Why did you call yourself that?
It's backwards. Goes like this.
Beautiful Sunday here in Southwest Florida. Quarantine, working on cars. Better than that. So basically, if you're a car guy and you're quarantined and you got a project going, time to do the project. By the time the quarantine is up, your project will be halfway running.
Got it. Finally. Okay, so that line goes like that.
Yeah. You gotta take those lines after that. Remember that. Back now, that put it to the inside. That's what I was asking for. There you go. And then bring that over to here. There you go. Boom. Remember, guys, Wildcat Garage tonight. Facebook. See you guys later.
think. Yep. Okay, so now that went under there. I have slack to pull it more. And then this.
Bro, look, I got people from Japan, Italy. Everybody washing my brush cat.
From Italy?
Yeah. Hey, bro. No. We put in hybrid racing brake lines.
No, Wireworks, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, is this also an 11, or do I have to get something?
No, you're gonna have to get your own 11
Okay.
to tie that one in the top. But you see how clean that looks underneath?
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to do it. Follow
And this
the
line
yeah.
just sits here, right? I don't
Yeah.
touch it.
Well, we can take it out if you want. We can break it apart and take it out later on.
Fuck that. Just leave it right there. No one's ever
Yeah,
going
we-
to the car.
The only thing you might hear vibration coming in and out. But
No, because this isn't touching.
Israel, tell us what we just did.
So we ran the rear brake lines through where the e-brake goes to the back to each wheel, and then obviously you can see they run. Oh god, I gotta loosen that. They run through here into the prop valve there, and then yeah, the back brakes are done. Now to run the front. And I'm tired.
So, how you saw in the video previously, this kit is from Wireworks and it's working pretty good. We had to, I gotta fix this when we do our harness. Remind me of that. Right here, we have to add this cable together. Well, I want anyway. It comes from Wirework and it's pretty nice and simple. We're gonna mount it right over there. Now we're gonna figure out how we're gonna mount that so we can run the front lines, the rear lines, and everything. We need a number 11. All these connections are 11. Socket or wrench it so we can tie them down. And that's pretty cool. All the way through. They come out real nice on the back. And the best part is that we use the OEM brackets for them, so we don't have to customize brackets or anything like that. We use the OEM brackets so we can get them back, so you don't have no problems with the line getting cut anywhere, anything like that. We ran the 2 line to the e-brake grommet at the same time. You would not have no problem with that either. For they're not gonna cut your lines or anything like that. This wheel right now somewhere here. Oh, who's underneath the car? Now the next step is move the stance back over. We're gonna find 2 bolts to fit that bracket over there. We're gonna find two bolts to fit that bracket over there. Bolt it down, and we're gonna go from there out and finish the other one. try figuring it out from here to there. Ah, you got the fucking thing, bro. That's a 12. Give me the number 12. Sorry. There. Remember, this is for the front, right, front, left. So this is right here.
So this would go.
No, that goes from there to here. What the fuck? That's nice. That broke.
What broke?
The pedal hole. We gotta go outside for that one.
Huh?
We have somebody gotta hold the screws so we can pull that one out. Okay, look. Let's put this one first. Okay, so you got it there, right?
Yeah, so this would go from here to here.
No.
No?
Which is the one that go from here?
Oh, one of these little ones.
Right, that's the right place for them.
Okay.
What are you doing? What are you taking it apart?
Because they're shorter ones. They're shorter ones. So this would go
Okay.
from there to there.
No.
Oh no. Hold on.
Backwards, bro. Gotta be with one of those and
So from there. No, this looks like.
nope.
Hold on 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Let me just check that.
Alright guys, so on the pedal, on the brake line thing that's happening, we're gonna make two hard lines. And those are gonna go from the left front to the right front, from the little booster control, whatever you want to call it, actuator. And Israel right now is installing the brake pads. See, you broke that.
Whatever.
Not you, the guy for you. Right now we're installing the brake line. The brake pedals. If I can get it, stay here a little bit better. There you go. Clutch. Because the person that had this car had an H22 on it, and he did a lot of shit wrong on the car. Don't mind my welding. My welding sucks. I know, but we gotta fix it.
Israel, hold it.
Yeah. Well, guys, me and Israel are done for the day. We couldn't do much else. He's gonna buy more parts and get them down. I gotta go home before the curfew kick in because I don't want nobody on the road at nighttime. So it's already almost 6 o'clock. I gotta hit home. So we did today the brake lines for the rear. We did mock up where that goes right there on top of where the door's on. We know where the parts that we need it goes to. We did run. We're gonna run the aftermarket case harness better than what we did right now. We're gonna follow the OEM harness and strap it to that better than I was thinking about after I was done with it. I'm like, man, we can do something better than that. So that's done. The next step is to hook up the harness for this, make holes in there where everything goes in. It looks better. Guys, be safe. You know, wash your hands. You guys keep it real. God bless you. And hopefully it's over before we can say hello again. If you're in Florida, I'm gonna see you guys when all this stupid thing is done 2 months from now on the car show scene. Hopefully this is done by then. We're gonna push. Now this is we have the time to work on them, and I don't know if Israel got the time, but we can take this to the body shop after we get the engine bay done. Guys, see you later. Peace out. Thank you for subscribing.